Do you think it is possible for a guy to get out of friend zone? बहुत एक्सपीरियंस के बाद.
How?
Yeah, if you play your cards right.
How do you play your cards right?
Asking for a friend.
There is.
Do you think nice guys really finish last? Why or why not?
You make someone feel like they're actually so important that you want them to have a good time more than you yourself want to have one. Otherwise, and it goes both ways. Even I wouldn't want to be so selfish and only think about myself and like.
So we'll just ask you a few questions. Boys के point of view से, ठीक है? First one, is it true that girls would go for a tall, mid-looking guy, but not for an overly attractive short guy?
I think it's kind of true because the short guy maybe ऐसे slap them. मतलब if you're like shorter than me, then no. But if you're like short, that's okay. So that's fine. I mean, but still, I feel like majority of the girls would definitely go for
But why do you guys not like short guys? What is the
It's
reason?
not anything about not liking short guys. It's just like I think a preference.
Look at Tom Holland and Zendaya.
I know, so I'm not saying that. I mean, उसका personal choice. But I wouldn't
Look at
really.
Tom Holland, bro.
But yeah, and honestly, not Nikhil from Goregaon.
I'm not short.
But still, it's not
Are
the
you
same. Now,
comparing his
but
height and
it's
Tom Holland's height?
It's because if you find like a chick who's like 6, then you're definitely shorter than her. So like she wouldn't prefer. So it's kind of that dynamic
He is 6.
basically. But I feel girls would really go for average middle.
As far as I've understood, it's just from like they feel more protective or safe when they are with a tall guy.
Not really. Like that's not how it works. For if you are in love, yes, that's not a psychological thing. That is more, and of course, if you're like infatuated or in love or something, that is the hug concept.
Yeah.
It's just that. I mean, that kind of gives you. That is when it gives you a sense of security. I mean, I wouldn't look at a tall guy and be like, "Oh my god, I feel a sense." I mean, you need to get to know the person. You need to some sort of feelings or whatever.
So the only preference for a tall guy is in case of hugs, as per your.
Not really. I mean,
तो क्या तू दे आंसर दे दे तू.
अरे वो कॉन्सेप्ट की बात किया ना
तो प्रेफरेंस क्यों है? प्रेफरेंस तूने बोला प्रेफरेंस है, क्यों है प्रेफरेंस?
The question was, what was the question?
Is it true that girls would go for a tall?
Yeah, it is true. There is no why or an extension in the question. It is
but
true.
But it's so perfectly balanced. Like for guys, I don't like tall girls. Like I wouldn't be with a tall girl just for the.
It's not a physical thing. I think you just
it's just
have
weird.
that.
Like ऐसे, if I'm with a tall girl, I'll be like, वो बंदे को ही date कर रहा हूँ. ऐसे for some reason मेरे को ऐसा लगता है.
No. So
ऐसे for me, I like short
girls. If you take a comparison, if you let's say you have a 5'11" guy and a 5'7" guy, and you as a girl are let's say 5'4", you might still go for a 5'11" guy.
No.
ऐसा मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
No.
Taller than her.
Taller than me. Then
in your case, at least.
Yeah.
You should check my.
Yeah, in your case, you're talking only, right?
It's a very personal subject.
Do you think it is possible for a guy to get out of friend zone? बहुत एक्सपीरियंस के बाद.
How?
Yeah, if you play your cards right.
How do you play your cards right?
Asking for a friend.
There is. You just can't go and to your friend basically. You just can't go and confess your feelings point blank. You need to see what kind of a bandwidth. Like there are people who also ask, if I like somebody and if they are your friend, I would definitely come and approach you. Ki kya hai? If they're firstly, of course, if they're single or not. Secondly, if they're looking, what it is. Why would I know? Some part of it is out of your control, but if there's no thing to build on, then you should know better than to acquire feelings for that person.
Hmm.
And if it's completely inevitable, then I'm not saying deal with it, but honestly be extremely transparent and be ready to take whatever comes.
Hmm.
Like, and it's not really friend zone, it's just you never know सामने वाला मतलब right person wrong time.
Hmm.
Certain preferences, certain situations, like there are situations where you absolutely cannot come out of a friend zone.
Hmm.
But I feel matlab, if you have the right odds, I
Hmm.
think you can get out of the friend.
मतलब chances है बंद हो गए.
Chances तो है definitely, but सबके अपने अपने stories रहते हैं यार. मतलब some people just give up on love. Then no matter how much love they receive in life, एक ना ही उसको किसी और से प्यार होगा, ना ही उसको existing बंदे से प्यार होगा जो already उसको confess कर रहा है and all of that. That also you need to hear, so that's like closes your doors forever. But if it's like somebody's not ready for a relationship right now, or if somebody is like seeing someone but you know that it's not gonna work, and after that also there are a lot of sensitive bases that you need to touch, like not come off too strongly and like give a person the kind of space and understanding they want, or like create a very comfortable atmosphere for them, probably something. It's all a game of emotions, to be honest. It's not like, oh, I have these feelings for you, now what do you want to do about it? People always let their mind and emotions overpower their actions and their decisions. Whatever you do, good or bad, negative, it's as basic as drunk texting your ex. It's still your mind and your emotions playing a control on you. There, one thing I've known in life is you never don't have a choice. You always have a choice. There is something that is good for you and there's something that is bad for you, and then you make the choice. Now, basically, you going to the US or not, probably you don't feel that way, but if there was some other person, you would have felt like, I don't have a choice, I probably have to just stay here. No, you do have a choice. You have a choice to go there. It's just that your subconscious is not ready to face that life. So you still have a choice, do you see? But it's the thing like that sits right with you, and then you even if you're not happy in it, you feel like you are forced to make that decision. So it's all very subjective, like deviating from the topic, but it's kind of like that. So also coming to the friend zone, I think people know what's good for them, what's not good for them, and probably there are people who are stuck in an endless toxic loop. कि ऐसा भी होता है कि लड़के बोलो या लड़कियां बोलो, you just resonate with those kind of people who are not emotionally available. Like that's just not type. Then you can't do anything about it. I mean, if you are a good guy or if you're a good person, you can't sit and wait around because that's their type. You can get out of the friend zone, but it's like shoot your
Very
shot and
situational.
who you are also acquainted with. And if you're somebody's friend, I think you know their life much better and to like go forward with it or not go forward.
Interesting. बहुत deep चले.
Have you ever lied about being on your period?
Of course.
Why? I mean,
especially in school.
General reasons.
Not really that way, but especially in school. Because we had like the worst set of PE professors and like we had all these. I mean, एक point तक ठीक है, पर अभी तुम 9th 10th standard में हो और तुमको पढ़ना है, boards है, घर जाके पता है कि slog करना है, तो you wouldn't want to wait an hour after your school just to play basketball. I mean, I would love to do that now, but you don't have the energy, honestly. And we had the worst set of professors, like especially female professors. They have been super disrespectful in this matter. So all you have to do is just. I think that's the only time I've lied about it to get away. एक फ्रेंड को तो बोला था कि चल बाथरूम में मेरे को दिखा you're on your period. This female teacher, she was that bad. उसको निकाल दिया, उसको actually rusticate मतलब निकाल दिया है, पर ऐसा कौन
कोई नहीं करना चाहिए.
ये क्या है भाई? This is a different set of fetish.
What's the biggest ick you can think of?
Biggest ick I can
Yeah.
generally
Yeah. In boys.
in boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that also. Lack of hygiene.
Lack of hygiene. Yeah.
That is it. Like you could have any kind of course, subjects like amounts to it, but you can have any kind of opinion. You can have any kind of outlook towards life. You can have any kind of I don't know, personality or whatever. But oh my god, lack of hygiene instantly makes someone so unattractive. And from a girl's point of view, I personally think is because we ourselves are so hygiene.
Yeah.
And
that's
me,
true.
I am a germ freak, like literally a germ freak. When my mom tells me कि तू दिन में इतनी बार हाथ क्यों धोती है? Like anything and everything I do, I have to wash. I go crazy, like frantic if I see अभी भी like I don't know if I should.
बोलना मत मेरे
I
को
was
छूने के
looking
बाद
at
आंखों
नहीं,
पे।
I was looking at that bookshelf. I was not interested कि क्या props रखे हैं. मैं ये सोच रही थी कि यार कितनी दूर है ये लोग साफ नहीं करते हैं क्या? I literally thought that. I'm not kidding. So I feel
सुबह 10
like
बाल्टी लेके आएंगे.
it's me. I'm Monica.
Yeah.
I need everything clean. Like I'm okay if things are disorganized to some extent, but I need things to be clean. Like
And
Bhavya's mom is like कि चलो भाई काम वाले आ गए, घर में सब साफ है।
मैं नहीं करनी ना।
हाँ?
कोई और करे। हाँ, but I do that. If I go crazy, I take like a pocha myself and I do it.
What kind of behavior makes a guy seem creepier?
Being too pushy.
pushy.
Give example.
I'm not able, like coming off too strong, like not able to read the room. मतलब पहले vibe समझो, automatically creepy नहीं.
Trying too hard to get out of the friend zone.
Not friend zone. I mean, even if a guy you meet for the first time or whatever it is, like just please read the room and just see the kind of person you are dealing with. Some people are naturally friendly. For me personally, मतलब मेरे को चाहिए कि मैं 3-4 बार बात करूँ उसके बाद I just come to know what kind of perspective that person holds in life and बंदा क्या बोल रहा है, sensible बात निकल रही है उसके मुंह से या is he just the way generally men are. But yeah, coming off too strong, I feel it's a very big turn off. And especially when I'm talking about the first instance, I mean, if there's no energy, there's no vibe reiterating that, how can you just go and approach someone? यार मतलब ऐसे ही कि तुम इतने डेलुलु हो लाइफ में कि सामने से भाव मिलेगा ही. I mean, that kind of a nature, like you shoot your shot with anyone and everyone, and then what's the worst that could happen? Kind of a perspective. No, like that's
trying too hard plus overconfidence.
trying too hard. Yeah, like trying too hard also. I mean, if you have like a very strong personality, that just shows. And whatever's been projected in a fake way, that also clearly shows.
And not understanding the meaning of a single no also. एक बार नो बोलने के बाद भी दूसरी तीसरी बार चौथी बार मतलब एक बार मना कर दिया.
वो लोग के सोचने का यही होता है कि चल नो ऐसे बोलिए because she wants me to ask again.
honestly that's
chase करो खुश हो जाएगी, प्यार में पड़ जाएगी.
For them no means yes, like try harder. No means no, bro.
No means no, and it does not even have to be a no. If you're like meeting somebody for the first time and they're not remotely also interested in talking to you, that just means bro sideline होगा बस. Either way, because this creepiness happens in corporate also. I'm not talking about between men and women generally. People basically trying to cross boundaries. Yeah.
Do you mind if a guy has a lot of girlfriends? A lot.
No. Depends upon his behavior.
That's true.
Perfect.
I'm point being that.
Yeah.
I don't care. Like, I'd be surprised if he doesn't have girlfriends. Because girls can really, like, at least friendly influence can, correct friendly influence can shape a
exactly
guy,
what I was going to say.
in a very good way. And I feel at least मतलब वो अगर platonic friendship है ना, तो it's good for like the girl who's dating the guy also, because there's a lot of help. But
Yeah.
Especially being in touch with your feminine side comes a lot from
Of
that
course,
end.
And it's like
if
for
it's-
guys also, it helps you. For example, like if you have a lot of
Yeah.
girlfriends, you learn a lot, and you don't have that awkwardness with your girlfriend because you hang out with so many girls,
True.
and not hang out as in like do
Yeah,
whatever, but
I
in
mean
a
that's
good
what
way.
I'm saying. A
Yeah.
nonchalant platonic friendship. I mean,
Yeah.
you just know when to extend your friendship and when to cut it off.
It's
or
easier
whatever
for you
it
to
is.
understand their point of view, and that you can implement over
Yeah.
here as well.
Yeah.
Right.
Be it like girlfriends, like having sisters, it's
Yeah.
like equivalent. I mean,
Yeah.
but solely depends upon vice versa. Solely depends upon the person's behavior, because you're like, if
Yeah.
you make your significant other feel like they are a threat,
Hmm.
then it is a concern. If
Hmm.
you if it's friendship.
If your intentions are pure,
I
then
mean, you
Yeah,
can always
behavior and
hang
intentions
out. Yeah,
at
you
the
can
end of
always
it.
hang out.
Yeah.
You can always chill, be
Yeah.
one-on-one in a group or whatever. But the person who you're dating should really be at peace
Yeah.
mentally when you're
Yeah.
out there. And even if, be it when they're there, if they're seeing things in front of their eyes, when they're not there, it is way worse.
Texting
because
anything,
you
yeah.
tend to overthink a lot and
Yeah.
go through a lot mentally. But that sense of security should be.
Worst date experience.
So I had gone to meet this guy. It was a cafe only, and I had come back from a journey of say like 8-9 hours. किधर तो हम लोग stay के लिए गए थे ऐसा कुछ. Dreadful it was. And I was almost telling myself, do you want to cancel? Do you want to reschedule? Like reschedule, not cancel. But I was like, छोड़ जाने दे. फिर तभी इतना कुछ था नहीं, तो मैंने बोला ठीक है. Then I just went. I've come, okay. I've just come home. I've dropped my bags. I took a shower. I got like ready in an hour, and I was like, I'll just go, have fun. And then it was just a cafe. We were meeting in a cafe and stuff. पहले तो बंदा 50 minutes later.
5-0.
5-0.
तू तो नहीं था.
He had a very plausible
मैं आता तो
reason. I
सवा घंटा
feel.
लेट होगा.
He had a very plausible reason. I feel. I think उसने मतलब अभी वो believable कितने extent तक है पता नहीं, पर proof के साथ I think he was on his way, but his phone screen like उसका phone कुछ ऑटो में से गिर गया और उसके बंदे के स्क्रीन पे पूरे क्रैक्स थे, मतलब the screen was shattered. He showed it to me, but I don't know if it happened.
Exactly.
Tabhi, and if that was the reason he was late or what it was.
But what was he doing?
Then
Like
I don't.
50 minutes late on your first day for a guy is fucking terrible, bro.
I was so done mentally because मैंने बोला कि you better have a good reason or you better be like my type or else I'm just gonna dread this whole thing.
I'm surprised you waited for 50 minutes, bro.
I kind of did. I mean, I'm nice.
Anything for free food.
Not free. I'm coming to that. So I'm coming to that. So I don't generally prefer. Honestly, it's my thing. I always want to
joke था.
But नहीं, मतलब वो किसी के लिए worse होगा. But it was not a part of this, so it's a good thing. Yeah. But I don't personally like somebody paying. So I just like he came, he gave me all the excuse. I was like, okay, whatever. And I was sitting outdoors, so we moved inside. And कुछ तो हुआ है ऐसा कुछ. And dude was such a dud. Like कुछ बात नहीं, कुछ conversation नहीं. So I don't know if he was shy or
You didn't let him speak.
if he was like that. No, I wish. I really wish. Because being a good listener is also a good trait. I mean, look at Vicky Kaushal. But that's the
We
thing.
have been listening to you in the past 2 fucking hours, bro.
For
You've
over
been
4
listening to
episodes.
me for
Exactly,
you've
bro.
been
Over
listening
4
to me for
episodes.
because of your own. He's voluntarily listened to me with no like
Thank you.
just there. So yeah, so I'll give that to
Yeah.
him. That's what. You're not. So never mind. And then I was trying so hard to make a conversation. I almost was like dreading the whole situation. मैंने बोला इसके लिए मैंने क्यों वेट किया. एक ही प्लस पॉइंट क्या था कि तब कोविड था. So like post COVID, okay, like way post COVID. But remember the restaurants and cafes and all of those people still had this rule कि 10 बजे सब बंद हो जाता है. So it was that kind of like that period. And like कि 10 बजे ये बंद हो जाता है तो और पूरा मुंबई बंद हो जाता है. मैंने बोला उसके बाद आई डोंट थिंक कुछ करने को है. सो आई माइट जस्ट गो होम. ऐसे ही बोला मैंने उसको बहुत पोलाइटली. एंड देन द गाय सेड नो वी कैन ड्राइव अराउंड. फर्स्टली माय कार.
अच्छा
I don't want to drive.
What is wrong in that?
I don't want to drive, bro. I mean, you like I am all in for a guy being a passenger princess, but that's really not very masculine of you. And second thing, read the room. If I am telling you, I might just go home. Don't suggest things like these.
Yeah.
That is like coming off too. Firstly, for me, coming off too strong. Take a hint.
Or he's too dumb, bro.
At
He didn't get it.
At
Like,
least ना बोल. अरे पर तो बोल रहा है कि I will go home. Then what? I mean, like, what if it was as abstract as this place shuts down?
I
Like,
think
what do you think we should do then? Should we just meet later? या something abstract कि मेरे पास कुछ करने को suggest करने को है नहीं. तो बंदे को बोल रही हूँ कि मुझे घर जाओ. And
नहीं, but like not coming to his rescue. But since you mentioned कि since there's nothing to do, so I might go home. तो उसको लग रहा है कि मैं एक बार इनिशिएटिव ले लेता हूँ, उसको बोल देता हूँ.
देखो ऑप्शन देता हूँ, घर के अलावा ये भी कर सकते हैं.
probably, maybe.
उसने खाली वो पार्ट को पकड़
There
के.
was no vibe, Shubham. There
नहीं,
needs to
I
be a
understand
vibe.
that.
There needs to be a dynamic.
नहीं,
I know what
think
you're
from
saying.
his
You're
point
just
of view,
like,
क्योंकि
yeah.
इसका तो अगर तू
No
दूसरा
words.
डायनामिक अगर तू उसको बस खाली थॉट देगी तो he'll be like कि ये मेरे को बोली ये कुछ करने को नहीं है. और मैंने हिंट भी नहीं दिया कि ड्राइव पे, वरना ये सोचेगी कि मेरी तो गाड़ी भी थी, इसने बोला भी नहीं ड्राइव पे जाते हैं.
Probably, but
Just from that
maybe,
end.
maybe,
वो ज्यादा
maybe I'll
इनोसेंट
give
होगा,
it to
ज्यादा
him.
डम होगा, उसको उसके
But
समझा नहीं होगा
innocent,
तेरा.
I think, yeah.
Yeah.
हाँ, ऐसा इनोसेंट
Because
टाइप
he
से
was
होगा.
not, like, इतना मतलब बंदा खराब नहीं था. He was a good guy. So not like when you meet them
Maybe
and
not
you
a
come to know-
conversationalist.
and like I had a mutual. So if that person is friends with this person, then surely he's a decent enough human. Yeah. So that's the first thing. Like I didn't want to experiment, go and see what kind of a personality he has. पहले तो बात ही करते हैं ना, text या whatever. But very like a good texter. And in person he wouldn't say a thing. It's like मैं 100 words बोल के थक जाती थी. Yeah, I was like, क्या करूँ? Like conversations, sure. No, you can't converse, but you can actually ask follow-up questions. Like that's what I'm saying. That's the sign of a good listener. कुछ नहीं. मतलब it's like, okay, where do you work? What do you do? Okay, I do this, that's it. And then there's like pin drop silence, pure sheer awkwardness.
And then you feel क्योंकि मैं कुछ खराब बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि
I know,
इसको
and
इंटरेस्टिंग
like,
लग
is this
रहा है because I've
boring?
been on the other end. मैंने इतना अच्छे से बोला सब ऐसा लाइक हाँ ऐसा तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ एक तो एफर्ट नहीं आ रहा उस एंड से.
Exactly.
मैं कैरी करने का सोच रहा हूँ उसमें भी एक्सप्रेशंस मैं ही ले रहा हूँ तेरे
But
से.
see, that's a very girl boy thing. Like girls usually have this confidence कि मतलब कुछ भी हो कुछ भी करेंगे. Like we don't have that unless you like are going on a date with like a crush or somebody you've had like you've loved for a very long time and it's finally your chance. This is what where girls usually act up that way. Otherwise they're all pretty confident कि मतलब हाँ मतलब जो है वो है ये तो मतलब कोई अपन से disappoint तो नहीं होगा ये चीज है. And especially not on a first date unless you have like a lot of pressure and stuff like that. Then exactly I feel love someone a lot and it's like the
Yeah.
first chance.
And
or
girls
something
have that
like
ability to carry a conversation.
I
Like you guys can
think,
just talk
yeah.
about various things. कि हाँ मैंने आज ये हुआ,
Yeah.
ये हुआ.
And it's not
Yeah.
it's not difficult to engage a guy in a conversation,
Yeah.
to be very honest.
Yeah.
Because you can
Hmm.
with girls it's like you can talk about anything and everything.
Hmm.
So I think kind of between guys also you might run out of a few things, a few topics, and then just like do time pass on your phones. With girls,
Yeah.
with your girlfriends also,
Yeah.
we don't know where our phones are. We don't know who's calling, who's dying, what is happening. We're just yapping and yapping for hours.
Yeah, guys,
So-
after 10 minutes, we are happy to sit.
Yeah, if you've seen that
Yeah, yeah.
Ross and
We'll be
Mike
sitting here,
wala.
we'll be sitting here and we'll just scrolling.
Ross and Mike wala episode like that all be on.
Not in my case. I can talk to any of my friends about anything.
You have that kind
I
of
can talk to
comfort
Nikhil in his car for an hour.
Yeah.
That's
I
where
can
the
talk to Ramya
comfort is.
over the phone for 3 hours about random shit. I can talk to. I've spoken to Aman Jain for like 1-2 hours over the phone. Like क्या चल रहा है भाई तुझी बढ़िया लाइफ की यार जॉब में मजे में अमन कसम से यार ये मन ही नहीं करता
पर तेरा वो
मेरा
डायनामिक
boss
है ना
इतना
उसके
चूतिया है।
साथ.
हाँ मैं किसके साथ कर सकता हूँ
हाँ, but
Hmm.
I really don't think कि like ऐसे you don't know someone and if you don't get
You're
that
talking
kind
about a
of
very random guy.
energy, I'm talking about a date specifically or something. Like you don't know the kind of energy. तूने कैसे अपने आप को सस किया कि if I'm saying something wrong, तो भी अमन या रम्या क्या इसके साथ बात कर रहा है तो तुझे वो थॉट एक भी बार नहीं है. So it's that kind of a thing कि
Yeah.
मैं कुछ गलत बोल रहा हूँ क्या इसको इंटरेस्ट नहीं है क्या all that. I'm talking about in a date setup.
No,
Basically. Like
नहीं,
girls can
मैं
talk
खाली वो
to
पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से
anything.
बोला कि नो
But
लाइक
you're
यू सेड
talking
ना
about
कि
your friends, no?
I mean you spoke about your
That
friends
is
ना
like an extension. What I was trying to say is, even if it's a first date and you don't know someone, girls can still talk.
हाँ मैं वही बोल रहा था कि
And
first
keep
date में
talking.
girls have that ability to carry a conversation.
Yeah, like you
मतलब
can
कि
carry the entire date.
मैं तो उस पर तो डाउट ही नहीं कर रहा
हाँ.
दैट्स ट्रू
Yeah.
बल्कि फिर लाइक शी सेड you know
With friends, तो definitely,
like
yeah.
girls can talk to her friends
Yeah.
for hours and for not touching her phone and all those things तो मैं बोल रहा था कि in my case also that is
But yours is also very, I think, might very be frequent. Like girls usually can do it single day.
I
We
can
do
do it
it
every
with our
single day
sisters. We do it
Girls
with
plus
our
मारवाड़ी
mothers.
से एक जो एक ऐसा
Plus Shubham.
वही ना,
Plus
only
Shubham.
Shubham only Shubham
Only Shubham. Sorry, I take my words back.
only
But
Shubham
हाँ मतलब then what happened is and then we like we drive around and stuff like that. मैं तो ऐसे
अच्छा फिर गई ड्राइव पे
फ्रेंड्स सुन ना नहीं मैंने उसको बोला कि वो कुछ मिडवे ही रहता था बोलती साइड. So I was like, you know what? I don't want to go on a drive. I was like, we can go to my building and we can take a walk. मतलब the least we can do is that मतलब मैं घर पे और फिर मेरे को भटकना है तो मैं तो चलो I have to walk 10 steps and just go home. Yeah. And then on the side, I texted a couple of my friends and I was like, SOS help, rescue, please, ASAP. Because it was, I think it was like, I said Sunday or Saturday, I don't remember. But next दिन कुछ holiday था या ऐसा कुछ था. तो night waste नहीं करना था. And I was like, peak something जब इतना कुछ job का seriousness नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था. So you could stay up until 4 a.m. come home by 5 and stuff like that. So I was like, I really want to hang out with my friends. मैंने राजवी को मैसेज किया, मैंने मेरे फ्रेंड जनरल को मैसेज किया, मैंने सबको बोला कि कुछ तो है. And then we just like मैंने जो लेवल का झूठ बोला है. I was like, my friend is going out of town tomorrow. And I literally said that going out of town. ऐसा भी नहीं कि going out of India to study or something like that. And it's very important to meet him because उसको 2-3 महीने से मैं मिली नहीं हूँ तो उसको बहुत बुरा लग रहा है और अभी वो 1-2 वीक के लिए है नहीं और वो बंदा भी सोच रहा होगा कि उसके बाद आके मिलने आज क्यों मिलना है तेरा फ्रेंड इधर ही है ना. But I got so numb and I was trying to because I didn't want to be rude. I didn't want to be impolite and mostly I didn't want to offend his feelings. Like I didn't want to honestly feel like I am going to ghost you tomorrow, but right now I'm ghosting you in person also. And there was no polite way. और फिर हुआ क्या? हम लोग जब actually walk भी ले रहे थे ना, तो he was feeling so cold. And because it was like यही Jan Febish का ही time था. He was feeling so cold. वो चलना भी नहीं है. तो मैं और क्या मैं घर पे तो ले नहीं जा सकती. कुछ बैठने को नहीं, हमको रोड पे भी साले पुलिस वाले बैठने नहीं देंगे. The only option is to sit in the car. Like, put the car off, but like still sit in the car.
Yeah.
That's not a risk I'm willing to take. It is not an enclosed space conversation, another conversation I want. At least when we are walking, I can look at the trees, I can look at like other people's houses, and just at least be distracted.
वो बाकी खिड़की अच्छी लग रही है ना.
I swear ऐसा हुआ था. मैं झूठ भी नहीं बोल रही हूँ, मैं उसको रैंडम फैक्ट्स बोल रही थी मेरे एरिया के, जो प्रोबेबली मैंने मेरे पापा से सुने थे.
ये जो बिल्डिंग का बिल्डर है ना, he was a big politician, you know.
No. There was a building which was like completely, उसका ना काम बंद है पूरे टाइम से. तो मैं उसको वो स्टोरी बोल रही थी, why is this abandoned? I think there are ghosts in it. मतलब मैं कुछ भी बकवास किए जा रही हूँ, मुझे खुद को नहीं पता. जैसे मेरे फ्रेंड का फोन आया, I just made that puppy dog face. My friend just laughing inside, just pretending. He's like, निकल ना भाई, क्या कर रही है, तो मैं लेने आऊँ तेरे को, इसको चाहिए तो. मैंने उसको बोला, हाँ प्लीज मेरे को लेने आओ, प्लीज. Then when my friend left, like he was like, I'm coming in like 15 minutes करके. फिर मैंने उसको बोला सी, और फिर I kind of got a concrete reason then, because I was like, my friend, he himself is coming here. वो मेरे को नहीं छोड़ेगा, वो मेरे को पिक करने भी आ रहा है. There's no way out of this. I'm really sorry. We'll do this next time. The guy insisted on taking a selfie, and I was so done. Will want me and you for the rest of our lives, like.
Sunday Insta में डाला.
I swear! I was like, what's your point? I mean, that's so awkward.
Imagine being a third party to their selfie and Tassi acting like a celebrity at an airport and him being a fan man.
Swear, it was a similar feeling. It was a similar feeling.
Tassi का दोस्त आके मैम को नहीं चुनेगा.
Didn't care. Imagine not caring about the filter and just the courtesy. I wound him out. I told him, he was like, I'll wait until your friend comes. I was like, no, it's too late, no, anyway, and he'll come, and I don't think he'll take another 5 minutes. तो मेरा दूसरा फ्रेंड यहाँ पे ही है, वो भी नीचे ही उतर रहा है, अभी हम दोनों साथ में जा रहे हैं, so I'll go and hang out with him करके. तू जा, then you won't find an auto. It was 10:30 p.m. I told everyone, in a world where there are Ola autos and Uber autos.
That in Mumbai.
वो बेचारा बराबर है.
I literally in the end.
ज़माना बहुत खराब है, ऑटो नहीं मिलेगा आपको.
वापस तेरा फोन गिर गया तो ऑटो के बाहर खोल रही. So bad. What I'm trying to say is, might not be a bad guy, but it felt so forced.
Yeah, not your type.
You just want to escape, you know, you get that feeling, and then you're just like, and not like, I mean, yeah, I didn't want to be rude. So.
Yeah.
Like, समझा, please समझा. There's nothing I want in life right now. मैंने भगवान को इतना बोल दिया ना कि मुझे इधर से निकालो, कल से मैं ये करूँगी, कल से मैं वो करूँगी. This is too awkward.
I'm just thinking from the guy's point of view, if he's actually too innocent and he's just standing there thinking, यार कितना बोलती है, कितने अच्छी लगती है बोलते हुए, बोलती है तू.
Big oop.
बेचारा यार. Okay, next one.
Big oop.
Do you think nice guys really finish last? Why or why not?
Why?
Or why
Yeah,
not?
I do. But like, because you make it all about the female, and that's kind of like, if you make someone feel like they're actually so important that you want them to have a good time more than you yourself want to have one. Otherwise, and it goes both ways. Even I wouldn't want to be so selfish and only think about myself, and like, if I'm judging somebody based on that, कि और situation से भी depend करता है, पर वो last resort है. But like in the initial ways, I think, yeah, it's always like both the parties are just giving. I think that's where the balance is. Like, of course, give and take तो naturally होने वाला है, but you should have that sense of just like not making it all about
But yeah, I think
nice guys
I think I agree with the statement that nice guys finish last. I mean,
Yeah.
being nice is okay, but being too nice is very shitty because
too
What
nice
is
is
too
a
nice?
different thing.
too nice is basically if I'm in a relationship, if the other person is wrong, okay, and I'm still like, no, it's
Apologizing,
fine. I'm
yeah.
apologizing always.
yeah.
I don't have a stance. I'm always trying to make you happy,
You're a
even
yes
if
man.
you're wrong. Or
trying
even,
to take
yeah,
keep the
everything is
relationship
just about
afloat.
her, even though I know she's wrong, but I'm too scared to lose her. I'm being too nice. Ki, yeah, whatever. Okay, let's go here. You want to go here? I'll go here.
You're a simp,
That's like a
basically.
self-sabotage.
You're
Yeah.
a simp basically, like
Yeah.
what you're trying to
Simp
say.
is sweet.
So-
Simp is
And
different.
I think girls
but,
don't like it. Like it's genuinely
no.
if I'm in a relationship, if a girl is too nice, I wouldn't like it.
Yeah.
Like bro,
Like
if
you
I'm wrong,
give
tell me.
a
Like,
reality check, but you don't be too much of a jerk.
yeah.
Like you do tell someone their shortcomings. We like me and Bhavya, we always have these conversations. And the girls, like they tend to usually amplify their reactions and amplify their emotions. But I mean, even if it's my fault, you just like take control of the whole situation, still rebuild the fact that this is your shortcoming and you need to know this.
Yeah.
But that comes with a lot of assurance, reassurance, whatever. So like even if he'll be like, if like your anger, you have a very bad temper, मतलब भी कुछ हुआ रहेगा कुछ तो, and something just ticked me off, so I'll just be like, you know what, I don't want to talk to you, I don't want to discuss about this, and I'm a person who needs their space because I have short temper and I know that. So I know ki give me like an hour and I'll be okay with it because I know how to reason with myself.
Yeah.
And I, in a healthy relationship, I really wouldn't put somebody in that position that they have to constantly apologize and question their choices and keep me like on a pedestal. So basically, I need my space. Sometimes he does give me my space. Sometimes he doesn't give me my space because the issue is so extreme that it really needs to be addressed. Yeah, so for a lot of overthinking will happen. A lot of anger will get built. Also depends upon the fights, the level of fights.
Yeah.
But if it's something very silly and petty, see, when it's something very amplified, you can never, the first approach to a very serious fight is nobody can ever be right or wrong.
Correct.
You should never go down that road.
Yeah.
Because if the matter is that sensitive, and if you bring like I'm just terming it as that, if you bring like your ego game in that, then it's just going to derail everything. If it's in like little things, जब तेको पता है कि सिर्फ ये जिद है या ये कोई perspective है, वो या तो 50% we can meet or I can at least hold the authority to tell this person कि नहीं, मतलब इसमें तेरा fault है. Same with my short temper. Like I know it's evident. I mean वो बोलेगा तो मैं उसका offend नहीं लेने वाली, offense नहीं लेने वाली कि तूने क्यों बोला? Who are you to tell me and this and that? I wouldn't do that. But he also like tailgates it with like it's okay, but take as much time as you need. If this is a part of your nature, it's fine. I'm just indicating you about your shortcoming. If you ever want to work on it for the sake of us, you know, it just comes with a lot of support.
Yeah, but that's being nice. मतलब कि so
That's what-
so मतलब like on, you know, with social media and all this debate that, you know, nice guys finish last, etc. I've like, you know, myself been a nice guy in like many situations, not from a romantic relationship point of view, but I've seen, you know, how like, you know, how things also move around.
Yeah.
And honestly, like what I've come to realize in the past 1, 2, 3 years, whatever, is that probably if a girl ignores me, if I'm nice, not too nice, not too nice is like, you know, I completely agree with what you say. But if a girl ignores me, if I'm nice, it's not my loss.
100%.
It's never my loss.
Yeah.
It's never been my loss. It's your loss. And yeah, so the point being, if you're a nice guy, you'll find a nice woman. Just be a chill guy and a nice guy.
Yeah.
And in the end, you'll be sorted like them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Be nice.
Be nice. Be nice and be chill. Chill guys for life.
Thank you for watching.
Thank
Be
you.
nice and watch this episode and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back.
Hopefully
next
they
Sunday.
won't archive it.
Here.
Yeah,
because that camera is dead.
Hopefully they won't.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Bye.
Peace.